It's again Ali Virtue. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Grow with This channel where we get to learn how to grow on YouTube. And yes, we're doing this growth together. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, I'm really excited to have you here, and I'm hoping that we can build a community together. And if you have been on my channel or you have come across my video before, I love you. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for engaging on my video. I'm really hoping that you will once again find this video interesting and impactful, useful to you. I'm going to get right into the topic of today. I'm going to be sharing my screen. Recently YouTube rolled out a notification. If you're a creator here, I'm very sure that somehow you've been hearing about YouTube Studio, you've been hearing about YouTube Studio Desktop. Just in case you have started creating or you don't understand what it's about, just stay with me, and I'm going to be explaining and ensuring that you know what to do to YouTube Studio. And by the way, quick advice, which is a good one: you should always ensure that you make YouTube Studio your friend, whether the desktop version or the app version, anyone you want to have on your phone. Make sure that you make the YouTube Studio your friend, because it's from the YouTube Studio that you get information about your growth. You get useful information from YouTube. If they don't send you as a mail, they always send it to our YouTube Studio. And this particular information came sometime last week, as regards protecting your channel from harmful software or harmful persons, right? So please, you need to pay attention to this video so that you know what to do with that information on your dashboard. Now, if you're wondering what information I'm talking about, this is it right here. This was the message that popped up last week or so on my own notification, and I have gone ahead to do what I need to do so that I give my channel extra protection. You too also need to do it, and if you've been confused on how to get it done, then this video is for you. Just watch. I'm going to be showing you a screen record. I'm explaining step by step what you're supposed to do. But it's important to turn it on for YouTube to have actually brought it to our attention. It simply means that they are advising that we turn it on. So this is where I have, this is my YouTube Studio. By the way, this feature, I noticed that you can either do it from your app, the YouTube Studio app, or you can do it from your desktop version. Anyone you choose to use can work, right? Anyone you choose to do it can work. So I'm going to click here where I have my notification bell, and then you can see the two messages I've received from YouTube. The first one says protect your channel from malware. Turn on enhance safe browsing before downloading files in Chrome. The other notification says watch out for suspicious requests, ignore links and files from untrusted sources, always verify offers. Now this first one is the one I wanted to turn on together. It came in 2 weeks ago, not last, yeah, 2 weeks ago, not last week. So I'm going to just click on that notification and allow it to load. It's going to bring me down here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on manage enhanced safe browsing. Now you can see that I have already turned on my own. If you're just coming across this information, chances are you still have yours turned off, right? So please go ahead and turn it on. Even though I know it's not you're not under any duress, it's not compulsory, it's not mandatory, but for YouTube to give you this information, it simply means they want you to turn it on. So don't be among those who will get the information and just ignore it. Go ahead and turn it on so you can have that extra protection on your channel. It is this easy, nothing else to do, nothing else to be done. It is this easy. Just turn it on and you are good with that information. Now the next info I have here is about my watch out for suspicious requests. I just clicked on that, and then went ahead to read all of the information that was shared here. There was nothing to turn on or turn off, but it was important that you go ahead, it was important for me to go ahead and read everything here and know, so that I'm up to date with what YouTube expects from me. It's important you also read and get familiar with what YouTube wants from you, so I don't do the wrong thing. Do you get? Now the other one I'm going to be showing you, I'm not yet done mine. Let me go back to that protect your channel from malware. There's a part here where they're asking me to, where I'm being asked to verify, to add a recovery email. Now on my other channel, on my other what's it called, on my other channel, yeah, I have done this recovery phrase, this add recovery email. I have done that, but for this one, this is a new channel. This is my second channel, right? I have not done that yet. So I'm going to be adding another email just in case something happens and I can't, access this particular email. It's quite important. It's very important because I've watched videos where people say they lost their account because they are using the email that they use for every other thing for their YouTube channel, and somehow they got fishy requests, they got fishy information, and somehow they have lost the channel. You don't want to be in that shoes where after everything, after all of your efforts, you now lose your channel just because you did not add your a recovery mail. So as I'm going to be doing my own, not now, after this video, I'm also advising that you also add a recovery email to your account. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do hope that you found it impactful. I'm really hoping that you get to turn on what you need to turn on. Don't take information on from YouTube for granted. There's always a reason why they send us what they send to us. Do not take it for granted. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video, which will be posted on Saturday. Don't miss it. Bye.